Hi everyone. For your color wheel assignment, you need the following materials. You need a pencil with an eraser, a piece of paper going vertically, tall ways away from you, and you need crayons or markers or colored pencils. You also need something black, so a black marker or black Sharpie. You can use a ruler if you want, but you don't have to. And you need something round to trace. So you could use a cup if you like the size of that circle. I'm going to use the bottom of this container. You're going to put it right in the middle of your paper, and you're going to trace it. So that's going to be your color wheel. Then you're going to draw a line from the top to the bottom and you're going to cut it in half. So I'm going to use a ruler to make sure mine's nice and straight, but you don't have to use a ruler. Then you're going to draw, let me go over this. Let me do this in Sharpie so you can see it. So you're going to do yours in pencil, but I'm going to do mine in Sharpie so you can see the steps. Okay? Then we're going to cut it in half the other way, this way. So now you should have 4 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to draw an X. So you do one diagonal line and then the other diagonal line. So it kind of looks like a pizza. And you should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces of pizza. Count yours and make sure you have 8. So the color wheel is also going to look like the top of an umbrella. So imagine there's a child here and they've tipped their umbrella so that their umbrella is facing us and they're getting all wet from the rain. So you can draw in some raindrops on the top of your paper, but you're not going to draw them on the bottom. Now to draw the person, you just have to add, we're going to draw a raincoat. So all you have to do is 2 lines sticking out the bottom, one going diagonally this way, one going a little this way. They could be straight up and down, or curved. Kind of like you're drawing a triangle, but not really. So 2 lines, and then you connect them. Okay, so now this becomes the child's raincoat. You can add any pattern you'd like. So if you would wear a raincoat that's rainbow, you could put it on there, or hearts, or polka dots, or stripes, or all blue, or whatever you want. Okay, so I'm going to color mine in, I don't know, orange. I think I have an orange raincoat on. I'm also going to color my raindrops in blue. Then we're going to draw the little feet. So for the feet, it's really easy. You do 2 lines, and then you curve around like you're going to make a big circle, but you just don't connect the circle. So that's one rain boot. And if you want to draw the second rain boot, the child's supposed to be facing this way. So you don't have to draw the whole other foot. You just draw a little foot behind it. So you go down and around. Does that make sense? Now do you see it? There's a child back there, and she or he is tipping her umbrella or his umbrella towards us. So that means the rain is getting all over the kid. So we're gonna draw a big puddle around the child. Color that in. Okay, now for our color wheel, we're going to start with our warm colors. So we're going to start with red. And we're going to color in one piece of our pizza red. That looks a little pink to me. I think I'm going to add another red on top to make it a little darker. Let me see if I can find a more reddish red. There we go. Okay, so we go from red to orange. So if this one's red, the one next to it has to be orange. And we're going this way. We're starting in the top corner, we're going around. So make sure yours is red and then orange, just like the color wheel. And then yellow. Next is green. So you have red, orange, yellow, green. Then comes blue. Now, I want you to pick a blue that's kind of in between green and blue. So it's switching from green to blue, kind of a turquoisey blue. Then you're gonna pick a darker blue that's like an indigo. Can you say indigo? Because we're working our way towards purple. So we're gonna go green, bluish green, dark blue, purple. And then in the last spot, I'm gonna go in between purple and red, and I'm gonna do pink. So now that you've colored in your whole color wheel, all 8 pieces, you can keep adding to your design. You can draw a background, like the ground, so that the child isn't just floating in the air. You can add more petals. You can add more raindrops. So it's really pouring. You can add any details you want, and then you're done. You have your color wheel umbrella.